High-speed internet access is widespread. Satellite connectivity, such as that offered by Starlink, is a viable alternative in areas where traditional connections are not feasible. Starlink is currently offering a promotion where they are giving away the standard kit with the subscription to the residential plan. Customers who take advantage of the promotion will receive the standard kit for free but must commit to using the service for 12 months. There is a 30-day free trial, but after this period, cancellation, address changes, or selling the kit are subject to penalties. The residential service is designed for daily use and includes the Starlink antenna, a Gen 3 router, a stand, and the necessary cables. The residential plan has no data limits. To take advantage of the promotion, simply visit the Starlink website, select the residential option, enter your location, and proceed to checkout.